Hey guys, we've recently had delivered some of these tubes, which I'm thinking will be a much better way of sending our orders out. It should mean that we can send most of our orders together, i.e. the hardware and the track in the one package. So hopefully that means less issues with the courier, and it should hopefully keep track orders safer, particularly when there's smaller numbers. So I thought I'd just walk through how we do it in Melbourne. So that you can see. This is a fairly typical order. We've got 5 lengths of track, some wall anchors, droppers, hooks and end caps. So stuff that you've probably seen before. Anyway, let's start with the track itself. I'm not sure if I've got you this paper in NZ. This step may be a step too far, but for now anyway, let's just show you how we do it here. So we cut the length of paper, actually the whole length of the track, and we fit it in between the lengths. We roll it up. Cool. Awesome. See in this example, I actually cut the paper too short, but for the example it'll be fine. So, the track's now ready to go in. We then get the tube. Slide the track in. And then usually I'll start one end and I'll actually put the hardware in. So most of the packs go in pretty easily. The anchors usually sit on top of the track. Sometimes you need to push them in a bit, but it's never too hard. The hooks are generally folded over and slid in. The droppers are probably well, actually, let's do the end caps first. They just push in, obviously. The droppers for all the systems are usually the hardest. So what I usually do is fold them over like that and then actually just put a slight curve into it so that it takes up the shape of the tube. Then what we want to do is whack in some sort of stuffing. You can use the bubbles that I've provided, the craft back bubbles. What we want to do is stop the track from bouncing around inside the tube. So once we've done that, we can push our end cap in. Cool. Then we come to the other end, and again, we just need to put something, we need to stuff something in there so that the track doesn't bounce. We put the cap in this end. What I usually do is crisscross like so. And take it around, so that end's locked in. Same this side. Those end caps are locked off. Sorry, the end caps on the tube. Now, it will naturally actually sit in one direction. And so what we do is we just let it go flat and then we put the consignment note on this way. It just means as it goes through the courier's transport system, the label's always facing up. Anyway, that's sort of all there is to it. If you've got any thoughts or ideas, I'm all ears. But hopefully the tubes make a bit of a difference in NZ as well, and make it a little bit easier to pack and get things out. Thanks again for your help. We'll catch you next time.